If your notes are everywhere, in your phone, in WhatsApp messages to yourself, in random screenshots, in a notebook you never open again, this video is for you. Hi, it's me, Gunay again from Siteefy. Today we are diving into note-taking use case to compare three most popular tools for this purpose. And at the end, I'll show you one bonus app that I'm sure you'll like if you want something with a more personal touch. Before we start, a note-taking app that is perfect for everyone does not exist. Do you want a beautiful workspace for content and project planning? Or do you want a free app that feels simple and flexible? Or do you want a second brain where every idea connects to another idea? That's exactly how we're going to compare them today. Let's start with Notion. Notion is probably the most popular note-taking app for people who want their notes to look organized, aesthetic, and connected to their work. The biggest benefit of Notion is that it's not just a note-taking app. It can be your content calendar, habit tracker, task manager, CRM, personal wiki, travel planner, or project dashboard. So instead of just writing random notes, you create a full system. That's where Notion really shines. It's very customizable. You can create your own workspace exactly how you want it. It's great for databases. If you want to categorize your notes by status, topic, date, priority, or category, Notion is amazing. It's very visual. You can use templates, icons, covers, tablets, toggles, checklists, and calendars. Notion AI can help summarize, rewrite, brainstorm, and organize notes, which is useful for work with a lot of content. About the cons, Notion's first downside is that it can feel overwhelming. You open it to write one note and suddenly you're designing an entire productivity system. The second downside is speed. For very quick notes, it doesn't always feel as instant as Apple Notes, Samsung Notes, or Obsidian. Notion is best for anyone who wants notes and planning in one place. But if you just want to write things quickly down without thinking too much, the next app might be better. Number 2 is Microsoft OneNote. OneNote is one of the best note-taking apps if you want something free, flexible, and easy to use across devices. The biggest difference between OneNote and Notion is the feeling. Notion feels like building a workspace. OneNote feels like opening a digital notebook. You can type anywhere on the page, draw, highlight, add images, record audio, organize notes into notebooks and sections, and use it almost like a real notebook. It works really well if you already use Microsoft products. It has a generous free version, which makes it one of the best apps for people who don't want another subscription. The design feels less modern than Notion. Organization can get messy if you create too many notebooks and sections. And compared to Notion, isn't as strong for databases, dashboards, or content planning. OneNote is probably the safest choice for most people. It may not be the most aesthetic app, but it's practical, powerful, and easy to start using. Number 3 is Obsidian. Obsidian is very different from the mentioned apps because it's built around connected thinking. Instead of just writing notes and putting them into folders, Obsidian lets you link them together. Over time, your notes become a knowledge network. That's why people call Obsidian a second brain. One of the biggest benefits is that your notes stored locally as Markdown files. That means your notes are not trapped inside the platform. They're actual files on your device. It's amazing for deep thinking. It's very customizable with plugins. It's excellent for long-term storage because your notes are saved as Markdown files. It has a learning curve. It can feel too technical for beginners, and it's not as visually friendly as Notion. And if you don't care about linking ideas or knowledge management, it might not be your cup of tea. Your notes stay local, but official cross-device syncing requires a paid Obsidian sync plan. So Obsidian is not the easiest note-taking app, but it might be most powerful if you care about long-term thinking. Now, before we finish, I also want to mention one more app, You Are Me. This one is a little different from the mentioned apps because it's not just about productivity, it's more personal. You can use it to make notes, journal daily, record your voice, which is a really great feature for people who don't always feel like typing. It gets even better. You Are Me is not just for taking notes. It has an integrated AI system that analyzes your inputs and turns them into structured observations and personal insights. It becomes a space where your thoughts are not only stored, but organized, interpreted, and transformed into meaningful self-reflection. Another interesting feature is that You Are Me can also help you connect with people who think in a similar way as you. So it's not only about understanding yourself better, but also discovering others who may share similar thoughts, perspectives, or emotional patterns. I would see it more as a personal companion app, a place for self-reflection, journaling, and meaningful connection. So which one should you choose? Choose Notion if you want all-in-one workspace, It's best for planning, organizing, content creation, and beautiful systems. Choose OneNote if you want something simple, free, flexible, and practical. It's quick for notes, meetings, handwritings, and audio recording. Choose Obsidian if you want to build a second brain. It's best for connecting ideas, research, writing, and long-term knowledge. And if you're just looking for a safe space to just let it all out and find meaningful connections in the meantime, YourMe is the app you need. So here's our final ranking. Number 3 is Obsidian, best for deep thinkers and long-term knowledge. Number 2 is OneNote, best all-rounder for everyday notes. Number 1, Notion, best if you want notes, planning, organization in one place. But the real answer is, the best note-taking app is the one that you'll actually open every day. A simple app you use consistently is better than a powerful app that you'll abandon after 2 weeks. Which app do you use right now? Join our discussions on Siteefy, vote for your favorite tools, and leave comments. Help our community discover the best tools for the tasks. And if this video helped you, subscribe for more tech and productivity insights.